Hello everyone, welcome to one more y concept video. So today we will understand why 1 is not considered as the prime number. So we all know the definition of prime number, right? A prime number is something which will have the at max 2 positive prime factors. So considering this definition, let us take any number starting from 2, since we have to talk about one more on this, so I'll keep one aside. So how many number of positive factors we have for 2? So obviously it's again 1 and 2, and we don't have any other possible factors for number 2. So we are having 2 positive factors and 2 is considered as the prime number. Same way 3 also we have the possible factors are 1 and 3. So it is taken as prime number. Now talk about 4. 4 factors are 1 as usual. 1 is the by default factor for any number, and then the number itself 4, and the possible other factor is 2, right? 4 can be split right like this. So 2 is one more factor. So now we are having more than 2 positive factors. So then this is not a prime number. So this is how we'll identify whether the number is prime or not. Now let us come back to the number 1. What are the factors of number 1? It is always 1, right? So it is breaking the definition of prime number. Prime number should have 2 positive prime factors. So we don't have any such condition meeting here. So technically 1 is failing to join the prime club. This is what we all were told, right? And the reason we as mathematicians have taken out the 1 from the prime list. Fine, this is still valid. Now the actual main reason where it was troubling the mathematicians that made the value being taken from the list is, let's talk about the prime factorization. Prime factorization is identifying the factors of a given number till we identify all the prime factors. For example, let's talk about number 100. Now we need to identify the prime factorization for this number. So 100 can be written as 4, 25. 4 again can be 2, 2, right? And 25 can be 5, 5. Now I came into a stage where all my factors became prime. 2 is prime, 5 is prime. So I'm done with the prime factorization. And this is how we do it. So 100 can be written as 2 into 2 into 5 into 5, isn't it? So it will give me the 100 value. This is the prime factorization. Now just imagine 1 is considered as the prime number. Before we get into topic, let us just validate one scenario. 12 into 1 is 12. 12 into 1 into 1 is again 12. 12 into 1 into 1 into 1 is again 12. So if you multiply any number with 1 any number of times, the answer never changes. So theoretically this is matching, but imagine this is the same point which is conflicting 1 being the prime number in the mathematical arithmetic calculations. So now I'm saying 100, this is the max prime factorial I can do, but if 1 is coming into the picture, I can still break down 2 into 2 as 1 into 2, because 1 is again prime number, my condition still valid, and then 2 into 5 into 5. I can again do 1 as 1 into 1, isn't it? Into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. 1 can be again written as 1 into 1, and again 1 into 2, like this. It will keep on going, because my 100 can be written in so many numbers. This is a prime factorial. 1 is prime, 2 is prime, 5 is prime. This is valid uniqueness. And again 100 can be written in this way as well. 1 into 1 into 2, again answer will be 100, and all are prime numbers, right? And this is one more factorial. 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into, it will keep on going without changing the answer, still maintaining the prime factors. But this is not how mathematics are defined. As mathematics is something like you have to follow the pattern should not break. At the same time, uniqueness of any flavor shouldn't be affected. As long as any component which is misleading these 2 points will be considered special and taken out if required. So the problem with 1 was that initially couple of hundred years back, number 1 was considered as prime, and then our mathematicians had to remove this number to avoid this type of conflicts, because prime factorization should have any one combination as prime factorization. But if you see here, 1 being the prime number, without disturbing the answer and without disturbing the prime factorization rule, it is giving more than one answer, which is completely wrong in terms of math standards. So this is the main reason why 1 is removed from the prime number. It's not just because it has just one factor. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful.